Well, hello. Come on in. I think this one's going to wow you. Welcome to the 500.
Oh, hello. This condo is sexy. Oh my goodness. Over 1,000 square feet of magnificent living. Living, dining, kitchen, all together but separate and soaring. Are you kidding? I can't even see the top. Philip, I always meant to ask you, what do you think of the Ides of March? Light, bright, massive, big space, soaring up to the ceilings and facing south. Guys, this canopy is so beautiful. All the buds are just starting to appear. You're gonna be able to sit out on your balcony soon and have a scotch as the sun goes down. I love it here.
Okay, come on with me. Let's go over here. Look at this closet. Fantastic. Huge storage. Enter kitchen. Not a galley. Separate, but still open concept. Lots of storage. Stainless appliances. Fantastic. Great space for a dinner party. Can you imagine? I'd make a mean enchilada.
Ooh, I'll take a margarita. Oh, before we go upstairs, Philip.
Oh yes, there is a sassy two-piece bathroom right by the entrance.
Well, welcome to the second floor. Now I'm going to give you the definition of versatility. This is a 1+1 up here. It's a massive loft. So a bedroom, very spacious and bright and lofty, and also an office. Now, if you like, you can separate these spaces and just make the office one space and the bedroom one space. My owner likes to keep it open.
Just adjacent to the bedroom is this big walk-in closet. Open concept, great shelving, and of course, second floor laundry. Very convenient. Space for all your shoes.
Ooh, sexy shoes.
And the master bath. 5-piece ensuite, so 2 sinks, big soaker tub, and a separate walk-in shower that's big enough for more than one even.
Oh my goodness, we're having a shower. I feel wistful, looking far into the distance, down to the harbor.
Okay, you've seen the condo. Please come in person. It's got to be seen.
That's all, folks. That's it. You've seen it. 500 Sherbourne, Unit 215. These don't come up very often. Lofty, big, light, bright, south-facing. Don't miss this one, because this one is just big enough for a dance party. Philip, I always meant to ask you, what do you think of the Ides of March? I feel wistful, looking far into the distance, down to the harbor.
Ahoy! Ahoy!